What's the meaning of cornea? Cornea. Cornea.
Cornea. Cornea. The cornea is a transparent, dome-shaped layer that covers the front of the eye, responsible for refracting light and helping to focus it on the retina. It is essential for clear vision and plays a significant role in protecting the eye from external factors such as dust, germs, and debris. Damage or disease to the cornea can cause vision problems, including blurriness, distorted images, or even blindness. Corneal transplantation is a procedure in which a damaged cornea is replaced with a healthy one, restoring vision and improving overall eye health.